Okay, how to make your mouse pointer larger in Windows, and also let's look at changing the colors. Now, why would you want to make it larger? Interesting. Now, so if I launch this program, so depending on what programs you're running, things like art programs, Photoshop, stuff like that, you've got an awful lot on screen. And in this particular case, I've got OBS here, and you can see in this program, it's a live program, and you're trying to find your mouse pointer, particularly if you're doing live. Where is it? You know, I need to wear glasses to see most things on the screen, but this mouse pointer can still be quite small. And depending on what you're doing, actually having a larger pointer can actually make you more productive because you're not searching for it. Now, the Mac has something when you shake, you can actually make the pointer just gets large for that moment. But if you were using something like OBS or a live program, you don't want to be messing around with your mouse. You want to know where to click. So half the time it's like, where's my mouse pointer? That's easily done. So what we're going to do is go down to the Windows icon here, right click, and then go to Settings. And we want to go to Accessibility, which is there. So if I close that, right click, Settings, Accessibilities, and then we're going to be working on this side. There is another way of doing that as well. So if I close that, I can search for what I want to do is mouse. If I press return and go to jump into the same location, it's going to mouse there. So as you can see, if I go to Accessibilities, I've got the mouse settings here. So I want to go to mouse pointer. So be it you come this way or you come via Accessibilities, we want to go to the mouse pointer. We want to change the size. Now obviously we don't want it, here it is. We don't want to make it huge, or you might want to make it huge, but then obviously trying to hit the target. Obviously, it's the very end of the point, which is the touch point, but you want that. I wouldn't have thought that big. So let's pick a reasonable size. Maybe let's say about 3. Yeah, we can see that. Again, if you want to have it larger, I'm actually on a 32-inch, 2560 pixels. If you're on 4K, you might want it a teeny bit bigger. But again, if your screen resolution was smaller, you probably wouldn't want it so huge. And whilst we're here, we can change the colors. So if you just go across to this icon here, we got custom, and now we can choose our color. So if you wanted a pink, a green, or if you press the color icon, choose another, press that, and then you can choose whatever you want. So if you want rainbow vomit, unfortunately you can only pick one color. So you can select your color, done, and that's your color. And now if I apply, it's applied, so I can close that, and you see I really can't see that. I'm going to change that. Let's go mouse settings. Where's the mouse gone? Mouse pointer. You could go, yeah, yellow would start on a background. I'm going to go with just the normal one. And that's it. So now you can actually see your mouse pointer, particularly when you're using applications where you've got a lot on screen. Things like art programs, Photoshop, live programs like OBS. Hopefully that was helpful. If you want more tips on growing your business using all aspects of the internet, because moving around your screen quicker can actually grow your business, as daft as it sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to tap subscribe. And if you found it helpful, give us a like. Cheers, bye.